Okay. Good evening, everybody. My name is Naveen, and this is my group member PREVINRAJ. And
Hi, my name is PREVINRAJ.
yes, his name is PREVINRAJ, and we will explain, not explain, but present our IPT project, the floral delivery system. Pretty much a system in interface that link to a database, and we are going to explain our coding first, coding that relates our interface. Over here, this is our main coding, not the main, but our public class coding. It calls the function which calls coding object that calls every function inside the coding.java file. Over here, we are declaring the buttons and the text field and labels, including the images. Let me show the output first. The image and the labels and the text fields over here will be declared over here. Just declaration. And this is our local host. And this is our database name, BDV. And this is coding to connect with the database using XAMPP. This is all declaration and uses of combo box over here that pretty much adds every sentences inside the combo box. Let me show you each sentences in one plus. How to say, like after this one, after a plus, there's another layer, another option, actually not layer, and so on. After that, we go to our main coding over here, with the setting our labels, names, actually order ID, names, and customer name, which should be over here, the labels names, and our text field, and our button names over here. We didn't use layout manager. It's a bit hard for me, so I used set bounds, so it's a bit easier to put the text fields, labels, and buttons a bit easier to be positioned, so it wouldn't be a mess around. Just trial and error, so it would be nicer and compact looking for me. And here's the declaration to add the all labels and buttons over here. And over here, this is a function called save. You left the customer name. Okay. This will my friend groupmate Praveen will explain.
Okay, as you can see, this is a code for error detection when the text field left blank. Okay, another. Over here, if the customer name text field left blank, this will snow up and so on. Then
All right. What my friend said, these coding shows that if one of the text field left blank, such as the how to say customer name text field, customer phone number text fields, and so on left blank, this error will show up, such as you left the customer phone number blank, like that. This is all like left. If you left blank, this error will show up by using the else if else loop. And over here, this is the function that inserts the data that been put in our interface to our database. Thus, this function just inserts every information that we put in our interface to our database. As you can see, this is the SQL code to add the information from this, how to say, these text fields from interface to database over here. This is the actual SQL code. And else, this will select and display the data over here. Let me show you. If I closed already, it should be deleted. If it's a offline or doesn't have a database, it won't show. Because it has a database, it will show the information that has been already registered through the database. Thus, it's showing its information over here. And this is the rest of the blank error. And if we want to, how to say, update, let me show you example. If we want to update, we have to enter everything. Wait, there's something wrong over here. Okay. You have to enter the order ID to update. Like update the data set customer name, customer phone number, and delivery date, such and so on over here. If there are such an error, it will show error. If it is successful, it will show the order ID has been successfully updated and so on. No, sorry. It shows the order ID and has been updated. That's all. After that, this is the delete function. For delete, it will ask the order ID to delete specifically, so it won't delete the whole entire information in the database. For example, if I press delete, it will ask enter the order ID that you want to delete. So if I press 1, it will delete 1, like that. And that's all for our coding. And let me show the function that, okay, let me check. Okay, nothing has been deleted. And let's try our interface over here. That's my name over here as a customer and a phone number, 10-digit number. And this function is called date picker Java. We put it separately. This is from a website we reference it, so it's a bit easier for me. So it won't show. It would show the date specifically. That's all. Its function and shows the date, package, and type of delivery and recipient name. I would put my group member name, Praveen, and his phone number I put random, and address is Polytechnic, Pulau, and payment method is cash and not yet delivered. Oops, I put delivery. Then press save. New data has been saved successfully. To confirm that, let me show you my database. And as you can see, there's a has been updated. Praveen, recipient name is Praveen. His random phone number, Polytechnic Balik Pulau, cash, and not yet delivery. To display the information over here, press display. It will show the display order ID number 2, and customer name is Naveen, and the phone number, the date, and the type of package and type of delivery, and the recipient name, the person who received the package, and so on. If you want to update, press the order ID to update, press 2, okay. And what I did is, for example, I want to change the customer name to Previn, and the recipient name to my name, and also the number. Right, okay. And change the number and press update and press 2, which is the recently I inserted one, and press OK, and it says successfully updated. Let me check. Refresh. As you can see, the customer name has been changed and the phone number has been changed. Oh, is it? Okay. The phone number has been changed and the recipient name and the phone number has been changed. If I want to delete, press delete, and the ID number, I press 1, and OK. The ID number, order ID number 1 has been deleted successfully. That's all. And if I check my database over here, the order ID number 1 has been deleted or dropped. If I want to reset everything inside this text field, everything, just press reset and everything will be resetted as it should be. If press cancel, it will close the interface itself. Thank you for listening our presentation, and hope you understand our presentation. Thank you. Praveen.
Thank you.